Hey everyone, we're gonna do a super quick explanation and demonstration of Labocosmetica SAM, which stands for Self Assembled Monolayer. Now, no one wants to sit there and watch a detailer talk for like 30 minutes about something simple. So we're gonna go through this really quick. You wash the car, you decontaminate it with clay, usually. Clay towel. You can do it chemically, but you really need to do it with some abrasion also. Polish it, wipe it down with a prep solvent, and then you apply the coating. This coating, I've been putting it on the CT6 really heavy. Like really get it on there and get that applicator nice and saturated. And then, going through all the nooks and crannies here, vertical, then horizontal, do a nice little cross hatch. Now I'm gonna do an entire door here. Usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes to see the visible flash, sometimes less. The heater's been running in my shop right now. It's winter when I recorded this, so it's actually curing pretty darn quick. You'll notice a little tackiness, and you'll also notice some very slight hazing in the surface after you level off the coating. I've been coming back to the panels a couple minutes later, and that's completely going away and evaporating on its own. A lot of coatings will do that, and some people will just keep wiping and wiping, and that's just reactivating the solvent that's evaporating out of there. So just give it a few minutes, it'll go away on its own. This is a really nice entry-level coating that it's going to provide some good protection and ease of cleaning, and it's really easy to apply also. So what I'm noticing here is you're going to notice like a chemical flash where you're going to see a little bit of almost like a streaking coming up on the surface. And that is when it's ready to start wiping off. If you wait a little bit too long, it's going to get a little tacky. And then if you wait more than 4 or 5 minutes for this particular coating, it's going to get hard to level off there. But I'm going to do a big kind of general wipe to get the bulk of it leveled off there. And I'm going to flip my towel, go to the other side. Then I'm going to take my second microfiber towel. I'm going to wipe a little bit past where I've been leveling here, just to make sure that I haven't pushed anything over to an adjacent panel. And this coating is a really easy coating to see your high spots because they will be really wet, translucent looking spots that are really easy to spot. After all this, give it 12 full hours before you get the car wet. As always, walk around your work immediately after you're done applying the ceramic coating. And easy peasy, you're done.